noche, amigos. Me llamo Paul.
Yeah, me llamo Derek.
Yeah, today we're gonna show you how to drive.
We got all the tips and tricks on how to make you a better driver. Let's get right into it.
See.
Tip number 1, don't put on the seatbelt. That holds down your potential to be a better driver.
Tip number 2, make sure you're always swerving the wheel. You never know what could be in front of you. So if you're always swerving the wheel, then you can always avoid hitting people.
Oh boy, I love swerving! Oh boy, I love swerving! Tip number 3, keeping yourself distracted is always important. Whenever you get the chance, check your phone, send a text, eat a burrito, just do what you can to distract yourself.
Tip number 4, always constantly brake. If you're constantly braking, then anything that'll be in your path, you'll be able to brake faster.
Tip number 5, don't be a woman.
Tip number 6, constantly have the music blaring. When the music blaring, you calm your nerves and the other world is just shut out. Compare that music like it's 1966.
Tip number 7, practice your swimming skills while sitting in the driver's seats. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. I'm drowning.
Tip number 8, use the bathroom. If you use the bathroom while you're driving, well, you're already in the sitting position. So use the bathroom in your car. No one else will be needing to use it.
Oh man, I really need to use the bathroom while I'm driving. That's much better. Tip number 9, you own the roadway. If there are other cars on the roadway, just plow them out of the way. You own the road. Get them out of there.
Tip number 10, don't need to buy your car. Why would you buy one when you get one for free? Just steal the nearest one at the homeless shelter.
That was great, Padre.
Muy gracioso, ¿no?
Yes, sí.
Hopefully more inteligente. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Paul.
And I'm Derek. And these were our tips.
We'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.
See ya.
Ay, caramba! ¡En cara!